Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Jenga. First, let's get the game set up. You'll build a sturdy tower using all 54 Jenga blocks. Arrange them into 18 layers, with each layer having 3 blocks placed closely together. Remember to alternate the direction of the blocks for each new layer, creating that classic Jenga structure. This foundation is crucial for a fun game. Now, let's dive into the gameplay. Players take turns removing a single block from any level below the topmost, complete layer. The key is to use only one hand when both removing the block and placing it on top of the tower. This one-hand rule adds to the challenge and suspense. The goal is to keep the tower stable as you build it higher. Here's the easy Fortnite twist. Before starting, assign simple Fortnite actions to certain block colors or numbers. For instance, if a player pulls a blue block, they might have to take a shield potion, which could mean skipping their next turn or drawing a card. A red block could mean use a boogie bomb, forcing another player to do something silly. Get creative with your rules. So, how do you win? The last player to successfully remove a block and place it on top without the tower falling is declared the winner, achieving a victory royale. Conversely, the player whose turn causes the tower to tumble loses the game. It's a thrilling test of skill and nerve. Have a fantastic time playing this exciting Fortnite Jenga variant with your friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.